join in for the conversation where we get for here so that you go feel know exactly the angle where they carry the matter go today. And yes, I've been telling you, so in case you don't know, there's so many things we get to do with the women, especially for the month of March where we they celebrate the International Women's Day. And some women group also, they very it affects them, say they present so many bills to the National Assembly, and then they get rejection, but then they say House of Rep also been reject bill where they seek to provide special seats for women lawmaker. And also the constitutional amendment, women they say they go protest for National Assembly over the rejection of gender based kind of bills them. And then you get so many things to do or to talk about inside this particular one, but make I also tell you specifics. I say I want to tell you exactly some of these bills that we say they reject. So they deny citizenship to a foreign born husband of a Nigerian woman. That means say if you be a Nigerian woman, you marry husband come from abroad, that your husband no go get citizenship, but that they allow the Nigerian men when marry foreign born wives to they award them automatic citizenship. That means you as a woman, you not rich to fit give your husband citizenship, okay? And so I go also let you know, say they deny the Nigerian women the indigeneity through marriage. That means any husband where be say you marry now bring, you know go fee be, they not go recognize them fully as a full Nigerian. Make I also tell you, say they also deny 35% appointed position for women, and that they settle for 20%. That they agree for 20%, they don't want 35%. Also, that they deny specific seats for women inside the National Assembly. For all the things where I mentioned, now the one where I underline something, now that specific seats. Now, I they look that they push that one aside. Why? Because we as women not supposed they ask for, may they create special seats for us. How many people there for there? For the upper house we get about 109 seats, and then for the House of Representative we get about 306. Now why be 360 or thereabout? So why you they ask for special seats? You know, because women, it be like say we don't dare too relaxed. We like handouts. You know one get the work done. You want me they do them for you. That's, you see, that thing don't they affect us. It's a situation where we say don't they drown so many of us, because you still find yourself in that situation where you say, now man go provide for me, now ain't go give me food, now ain't be the head of the house, now ain't go bring. You see why they always shout out, say you need to stand up, break the bias. Now the team for the International Women's Day where they come up on the 8th, you need to begin to defend for yourself, speak for yourself, because most of these women, now you be the wives, the daughters, now you be the sisters, now you be the aunties, but yet most of these men be your uncles, your fathers. As I speak, they feel even be your religious head, and some of them are the lawmakers, and they deny you your right where we say you deserve as a human being. But you know the funny part of it, when not really balance, where we say the single right where they deny you, they get them as human beings. Them be men, they go marry women from other parts of the world, they go give them citizenship. But you as a woman where be a full-fledged Nigerian, you go marry husband from abroad, you know go give them citizenship. If you know they worried, that they worried. If you know they bite you, they bite me, because I see them as a singular act of wickedness, and I also see them as inferiority complex. I see them as say the men are scared, they fear of what you go feed do. And now why come from May 7 to 8 to 9 to 10, we're gonna talk about women in different, we're gonna speak to them, women where they different profession. When they come inside this studio for you to know, say nothing where you know go feel really do as a woman. Yes, nothing where you know go feel really do, because some of that saying what a man can do, a woman can do even much better. And you they ask for handout, you they ask them may they create special seat for you. Anybody create special seat for them, the men no go give you that special seat except you go there go take them. I they tell on as women, you come in a table, you say they did not create seats for me. When you they come, bring your own seat, come. The first lady and the VP's wife, I'm so sorry to use that term, but then maybe I need to calm down now. Yeah, the first lady, Mrs. Aisha Buhari, she been there the house to go there, to go also talk. She been there for the preliminaries. She been there to follow them talk. She did there, she support the bill. She did there to back them up. But what thing can happen at the end of the day? Those men go return to your house to they be your husbands. Yes, they be your uncles. They be your religious head. Some of them, they be your fathers. But yet, they don't want to make you see the light. They don't want to give you the right way you deserve as a human being. I really want to make you not chook mouth inside this matter. How you see him? Why a Nigerian woman no go fit get citizenship for a husband where she married from another country, but a man from Nigeria go get that citizenship for his wife where he marry come from anywhere? If you not see him as being biased here, I don't know the angle where they come from. You know they're right, and we need to begin to call out things when no they're right. You need to know these constitutions and know what's in your right be so you go fit stand on them. Chukmat on top the phone line 0700 954 954 951. And not also forget say WhatsApp day there for you. For people where they live abroad, you go fit send me 1 minute voice note so that we go fit do Wetin play am. But first you go tell me Wetin the voice notes be about. Okay? Yes, we there here for you, and now Women's Corner be this. Please chook mouth.
So this go last longer for me. Yeah, take my secrets, got them like precious money. I never want to hear you quiet, so I write songs for you. And I believe, yes I believe, I'm falling for you like a thief, breaking the knees. Cause when I see you, I feel to steal the keys to your heart again. Yeah, yes I believe, And Lagos will still move, now still Women's Corner. But before that time, I said we go take informate now. I'm so sorry. I love Alpha.
Fine, no, yeah. So we still there on top the choke mouth, chop suya level. So, and I know say most of them I want chill with the good people of Wazobia FM 95.1. No worry, because opportunities don't there for you. All you need to do not to carry yourself, carry your toothpick, and to carry your teeth. Just come chop our free suya. Just a follow up on the show, because them go announce the location for evening Oyoyo, where solid AC and expensive himself carry this one for head. No forget chook mouth, chop suya, na free suya. You no need to pay. And now the good people of Wazobia FM, nine them talk so.
All right, you go need to chook mouth and chop suya. Lagos, not that much go fit take for informate, but then we dey run along to fit pick your calls. Waiting you think chook mouth, because now Women's Corner we day. Hello Lagos, who they there?
Best friend.
How far?
Oh my God. Congratulations. I'm not happy.
Wait a minute.
Yes, I'm not happy.
Why?
I'm not happy. What did I see today? I'm not happy. Even listening to the birthday downstairs. Very local. Happy birthday to you. Is that what we say Nigerian women? But make I tell you, Kete, we're supposed to sit down now as women. Think how this country go to move forward. I believe our first lady is supposed to gather women, responsible women when to say we get children. Let we sit down, think how our children tomorrow go be. Not be say them go begin, they say there's a fair transport. They go to guys, say that they go to happy birthday. And we said, I want to ask you, who are our first lady they say?
She there Dubai.
All this thing they happen. I never hear and talk one day. Say, my women, people are stand up. People are come up, we don't talk for ourselves. Look all the things where they don't deny us. Only men, they enjoy the whole thing. If you want to go down, digress now, you reach family level. Now men, they enjoy. Now men get the whole world. They can try women. We can try on our own. They can leave us. Make we say get our own rights. We are all human beings. As they born one, after they born woman. Make all of us come outside. Make men stand, make women stand. Make all of us do our own thing. Make we know who go to do this thing. Let's tell you that this nation, they deliver for woman. Make woman rule. Make they don't let us rule. For only 1 month, they go see everything will change for good. Because woman don't go see picking the suffer. Woman don't go see picking the cry. Not the only man, no. Both man and woman. Now woman partner. So woman don't go see picking the cry. You don't go see picking, they say one thing they do. As we they cry, so go outside, see how people they trek up and down. They don't see motor. So now you see motor. Every time to go their working place, they also trek because the transport is too high. What is our first lady doing as a woman? What has she done ever since she entered as the first lady of this nation? They are not those alabosi that they go do happy birthday for her. That they go carry cake, go to person for Dubai, for what you are talking about today. Let them hear. All our government, any place they are sitting down, they are hearing from church this afternoon. They should give women, give us a chance. So they should give us a chance. We have this to do. We don't call those local women when they carry us, then them they rule up. I never see anything when they do. Very good.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You know, Sani, I guess allow her, make she just talk her mind. Lagos chook mouth for here.
Church, I agree to.
I agree to you too, sir.
Sorry, men supposed to contribute for this issue.
Everybody.
Okay, good. First of all, I just listened to, I think it's the Yausas that just called now, Abi.
GMG.
Okay, my name is Okay. I'm calling from Apapa.
Okay.
The women where they make case for, is it all these women that went to a birthday party in Dubai?
They no follow. They be governor's wife. They no follow. Now the Nigerian people, they feel decide to they part of them. If they part of them, why no worry them?
Who are supposed to be the advocate for all of this? Who go pioneer of now the market women? Now the woman where they sell paper for market.
If it be them, yes. You know why? You know why? Because the politicians go come to those market women. These politicians will reject this bill. They go come to that woman where they sell pepper for street.
And at the end of the day, what happens? The same woman where they for market will have to along their line.
She go.
The truth is that church.
I dey hear you. I dey hear you, sir.
The truth is that I don't want to sound like a male chauvinist.
Okay.
But the honest truth is that women affirmation, from the days of Mary and Babangida that she went for woman emancipation, that remember that Beijing conference in China?
I remember totally, bro.
Now, from that time till now, what have the women done? Since ever then, the only time you see them gather together is when there's a thing to share and all of that. That's when they come together.
I understand you totally. I understand you totally, because most of them they relax, they wait for handouts. Give us.
They go sit down, wait for hangouts. Now,
yes.
An issue as important as constitutional amendment is ongoing.
Yes.
The women advocate group, where are they?
No.
Of international women lawyers.
They actually now them be the one where release the press release. Okay, we know they get that precedent from the governor's wife. We actually don't need them because they Dubai now, they enjoy life. But the ones where they fight, they for forefront, and then them one go stage protest for National Assembly now. Okay, I go give you that update. But what I tell you here now, I appreciate your comments, sir. I really do appreciate them. Thank you. Say you be part of the people where they chook mouth.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate you. All right, Lagos, continue to the chook mouth now. Women's corner be this. Who they there? Hi, my love. Welcome.
Now me the work.
Okay, the work.
I don't know. I just one day sure say I hear Wetin you talk. You talk say our president wife and our vice president wife, they there of the hearing, right?
Yeah, they've been calm, yes. They be one of the people who push the bill, they support the bill.
Wow.
Yes.
It just shows how they're not racist.
Yes, that Madam Aisha Buhari and of course Mrs. Dolapo Oshibajo, both of them been there. And Mrs. Dolapo Oshibajo actually been there this Tuesday we passed.
It just shows that these men no racist. They're not just racists, because if all those kind women with their caliber and everything, they sit down there, they're not even fear.
You know, say Mrs. Dolapo Oshibajo be a lawyer too.
Now they talk, so they know they no fear. Me say nothing fear happen.
Because we the rest we're supposed they push from different angle where they know they push also.
And
but actually, so many women they try, because some of them don't form groups in different places to feed channel this.
Well, some of them they try, but this one go they really major. What we ask for a major thing.
Yes.
And if they no fit, I can't as inferiority conflict. I say they fear.
Yes.
I can't say that they fear. Get waiting that they fear. If they put that kind of power for the hand of a woman, say she gets say for the laws of this country, then we're going to see something.
But you know, say the problem no start from the National Assembly. The problem start from our homes.
No, yes, of course.
Yes, the problem start from our homes when some men no go want train their female children. Yes. When some men, if they never born male child, they no go gree say they get picky. And when some men, they believe say as a woman you need to go marry, go sit down. So it start from somewhere. And most of the women, now them they train these children, now them they train these men to behave like this. And now women they still train the men.
But lady, should we get represented? We get a little percentage of representation.
We get, but women they ask for at least 35% now. But the men they settle for 20%.
I know. won't ask say those women were there before. It means say the way why they reason now, maybe they never do reach for the men to even consider say, okay, this 35%, this women were there.
They try. Trust me that they try. The ones where they house, they try. They push.
Okay.
Yes.
This na just one is to all our mothers them. Make una sit up because now the way when you say train your girl child, now you go determine.
Yes.
Because when you train girl, you go hear when mama they tell girl say, do may you marry, do may you go your husband house. Waiting dey the husband house, I don't get my papa house. If I don't feel get free for my papa house, I'll go there free for another man house. We need to sit up and we need to start doing all these small girls they don't up and down. They find who won't give them handouts. Now Wetin cause this problem too? Because we are already comfortable with if I go out, he must give me tife. If I do this one, he must do. You're not thing. You work as hard as the man and get what you deserve. It's as easy as that. So make una stop so they think say, okay, as I just find like this, man suppose they give me as wetin you do, you put mercy for mouth. Just day your way. So if you don't work as hard as the man, what do you expect? It's disappointing though that this is happening, but it's also good that it has happened now. So we can work on it before it gets worse. Thank you, ma.
Thank you, darling. And of course, we're still there here for you. Hello, caller.
Finally.
Good afternoon. Hi, good afternoon.
This matter, you know what day inside the fire. Guys, I don't know whether now boiler will call now.
Oh.
See they talk and
all right.
This thing start from the day where they put tradition say woman not supposed to do this kind of thing for house. Woman not supposed to do this kind of thing for house. Now yeah, it starts from that. If I say the women come out, say they follow all these traditional laws. If I say it start from that traditional age, before all this Christianity and killing for start, all this nonsense no go dey happen. And if I say as at that time, women again gather their head and we suppose gather our head they do this kind of thing. All this is no go dey happen. Women don't already give them the opportunity to do them, and they don't enjoy them. They don't make it say them go favor the other one. If you accept, another person no agree. Because me as I did like this, I don't go home because my fellow woman go they suffer for husband house because of one thing, and I don't go fit tell her because what? If I tell her she will stand up, she will say a woman she be. Why? So you come to suffer, you come to just come to produce. So then you go sit down cross legs, stand your nails and lashes, sit down they look. Which can't see with that? When you all start from when you don't use your head. No, you do something, you go do your life and your picking, your doctor says go see come up from house. Then you go say the same thing when you pass through, your daughter go see past one, and your granddaughter go see past one. We can't think with this now. And where will they go? We not go want to sit down and think about our own self. Then the man go come do the whole way they want. Then go tell you say yes, you go say yes. If they tell you say no, you go say no. When you go open your mouth to do what you want to do. Then you go at the end of the day.
All right, I know say you don't vex now. Lagos, calm down a bit. Hello, chook mouth.
Hello, Cheche.
Yes, welcome.
This thing where they do women. Even a woman, I am born them. I know say this problem are from our home. Now where this problem starts. When we say they value men more than women. Man, where we say if you born, you never born man. That one you never born children. That's why the thing can be like this. Anything where they do, once women read there, nothing. They will value say after all, the woman na kitchen, na we are in work. I remember last time when they talk, say women, stand up, fight for your rights. See and now, immediately why I hear that news, and waiting up for my mind, say, Church, they always talk
The Church, they always talk am. Lagos chook mouth today here.
Hello, Tete.
Hi, darling. Welcome, Women's Corner.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Speak up.
My sister, the matter entire. Make I use myself as example.
Okay.
Since yesterday, when my brother and wife is a baby boy, I never hear something. It's just the happy. I think that 5 years we get, you know, with children. And they call and they tell her, say, train these girls. Not be to bomb be the problem. Just train them.
So you don't already born 5 girls. He's still born again.
Boy, they find
Okay.
Just the way born that baby boy. I never hear something. I say, so you still remember me.
So you see where the problem. You see where the problem there now, right?
Now where the problem from?
All right.
My sister, now where it from?
All right.
Well done. You don't finish everything.
Only in Nigeria. Thank you so much. Lagos, will they move forward? Women's corner, I go need to chook mouth. I get messages to read.
Hello, Shasha Smith Nation.
Hi, darling. Welcome.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
God bless you for this topic.
Thank you.
Yeah, we know say first of all now from family start from. But I want to talk about this present thing now where they bring this issue up for the government now, for the country. Since when Buhari entered the seat, what did Aisha they do? That's the question. Not be just said because they start from my parents. Yes, mistake must always bound to happen. But we have to correct the mistake. That is why me, my own now, where I contribute to say, I ask question again inside. Since when Aisha Buhari enter inside this seat where she did as a first lady, which thing she don't, where she did, now she take a break now where she won't try to bring her. So basically she enters seat now, she those things where don't happen now, she close those things. Start on from the beginning where she entered the seat. This topic not going to take ground now. Maybe next year now they won't come up for seat now she won't bring her in. Definitely, what do you want me to so-called men do inside? Because they gain from inside. Thank you, I guess.
Wow. Hello, Lagos, chook mouth. Hello, who there? Okay, one more call before I go read messages. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, what I want to do for this issue is that, the women in Nigeria here, they have a right, but Nigerians government the rule of intimidation. Firstly, do you get me very well?
Yeah, you talk say women are being what?
Though the Nigerian women,
okay,
they have their rights. Those officers, those ones that work in the government. If I'm them, I would drop my uniform, drop on the military, lawyers, all those ones would drop it at the assembly. I know that those government, they will use military to intimidate them because they have been ruling Nigeria with intimidation. Yes, because they have been ruling the whole this country because a very small mistake, they will send soldiers outside. A small problem, they will send soldiers outside. So I believe that this matter, very soon, when women will go there to strike, then will send soldiers to intimidate them so that they will run away. Please, all those women that are listening, maybe they should try and remove their uniform. You are a lawyer, you are a soldier, you are a police officer, drop it, and they will know how far. Thank you very much.
Thank you too for your contribution. Lagos chook mouth for here. Everybody there allowed. Now women's gonna be this.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
It's 2015. Today I'm getting you people. I'm very happy.
Thank you.
I thank God for your life.
We thank God, Mama.
And God bless you.
Amen. Thank you. Say you finally reached us since 2015. Hello, Lagos chook mouth.
Hello, Auntie Cheche.
Yes, then lower your just turn your radio off.
Okay, Auntie Cheche.
Yeah.
Yes, I've turned the radio off.
All right, chook mouth.
Okay, are you hearing me?
I hear you clearly.
So my contribution is that even though that there is a problem in families, you know that so many things have gone wrong in Nigeria. And women are, they want to go there and fix out things. Let me use this analysis for instance. In a family now, there is maybe
your line they break. I know hear what you they talk again. Hello. Oh my goodness, that line they bad. I know hear what you they talk. Lagos chook mouth for here.
Hello, Cheche.
Yes, welcome.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Wetin from Adiogule.
Welcome.
Okay, Cheche, first of all, the kind of our ladies, and the kind of our women we will expect to start this thing. Might just say 70% of them then keep quiet. Because if you look into our ministry at Cheche, you might have proud, have more to say anything they like, and nobody will accuse them. Might just say, okay, a few days ago, with my friends, we dragged this concern, this women matter. To the extent we say another thing. All of the statements that the guy made, that provoked me. Understand? But I expect our woman to calculate those ones that's the higher level, like lawyer, military, to start this.
Yes.
First of all, we are talking about men. See, yes, I'm a man also. But if the woman don't produce man, what? I hope you understand me, Cheche. You understand? Like, now woman born man now.
Now woman born man, my brother. Now still the situation where we they talk about. Now why I mention say now these men be your husbands, your sons. Now them be your religious heads. Now them they everywhere. You they see them every day. So what be the reaction of things when they tell you say you no go fit get a simple right in your own country?
Oh my God.
What be your reaction as a woman?
All I know to now is you don't get the estimate. If you will be man will take time, now woman will lose after that. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We get so many countries where women they lead and they be presidents in the world. And of course, I don't know why a Nigerian woman no go figure what she deserve and also work for it for herself. And not support the one where we say create special seats for us. No, like I mentioned before, the seats they're out there, and women should go out and get this particular seat, occupy these positions, be in these different places for 109, and then the other one is 360. Then go there, go get them for yourself. No way for handouts. You there to relax every time. Give us. And now why it they play out now? It they play out because when you see a woman open her mouth talk say, hey, if my husband no provide, Wetin can consign me? They play out. When you as a woman go get your girl child, no go train her go school because you no believe say your girl child go fit be a doctor. You don't believe say she go fit be a lawyer. You don't believe say she go fit even rule your country. There lies the problem. Now where the problem there? But now you born this man. Now you train this man to get this kind of war scheme mentality. Now you give them. Now you encourage them. When you as a parent go begin to treat your girl child the different way they treat your male child is the problem. Not be me go born the one when I go feel respect to women. The way I treat the girl, I go treat the boy like that too. It's same, balance it. International Women's Day they come and they celebrate. They say break the bias. Now what's in the team for the year be? Break the bias. God made them male and female. Why you go get the right to feel marry a woman from outside the country and give that your woman citizenship? But me, I not go feel marry a man from outside the country and my husband will get a citizenship through me. They bring him as a bill and you vote against them. But you can give, but me, I not go feel give as a woman. That means to you, I not be anything, I not want anything, I not deserve them. They check them now. You know, witchcraft not do pass like this now. Good afternoon, church here. If not be till we get start to give ourselves sense, First Lady and her second support the bill because it know to affect them. If they our shoe, they don't understand. All right. Church, what's the difference between our forefathers and these present politicians? Forefathers gathered and made laws that affect only the women. Yes, that's exactly what is happening now. No regard for the women. They are afraid that the women will overthrow them. Church, whether they like it or not, one day women will truly overthrow them. Juliet, the African queen, I'm not surprised this administration is working. Look at our foreign counterparts. Women have right to everything, like being a president and other offices. But here in Nigeria, reverse is the case. The situation is tough. Here, they don't value women at all, Samuel. But they go outside. They go value women by force. Checha, well done, Jerry. If I talk how I feel here, you know go fit to read and finish. But make them know, say, now woman born them with their big belly. If you don't vex. My love, you're 100% correct. The problem starts from home amongst us women. You will not believe it that when I have my first two daughters, my fellow woman tell me direct to my face, say I never start when I never get male child. We really need to wake up and take our right by force. Mrs. Mary from Lawanson. Good afternoon, church. I remember how they yabbed me that I didn't have a male child. Now it's my two daughters that are most successful in my house. God bless women. This country, Nigeria, be summer. People still want citizenship. Wow, that means the hope still there. You just carry go another talk. You know, no say that they found citizenship. Now you they downgrade now. I know women's corner today is going to be fire. Good afternoon, church. Why am I scared this way to actualize the gender, because the religion supposedly don't regard women as stand to be corrected. Peace. I understand where you they go to, because we get some when no believe say, but like I tell you, the time and the age where we they into, people don't begin to ask so many questions. Things are beginning to change because the youth don't they ask questions. Why is this so? And that time will come. Cheche, why women no fit get citizenship for husband where they marry from outside be say never reach us. This one say because citizenship never reach us, and they come back Lagos, no touch that. They make me vex. I go read more messages.
BBC Pidgin Minute.
Na Faith and Tunde.
Nigeria women don't carry protest go to National Assembly for Abuja to protest for equality.
This they come after lawmakers throw away the bill where they seek for women's special seat representation as them they consider amendment to the country constitution.
Zimbabwe government don't come out 118 students will be their citizens for Ukraine.
According to the information minister, them go give the students etiquette, make them come back out.
The minister tell any other Zimbabwean students will still look for Ukraine to find their way go Poland for government assistance.
The United Nations put the number of people who don't run come out to Ukraine sake of the Kasala for there at 800,000.
Poland say it passed 450,000 Ukrainians who don't enter their border and over 100,000 don't enter Hungary.
Athletes for Russia and Belarus go fit participate for the Paralympics Winter Games where they start on Friday for Beijing.
But them go compete under the Paralympic flag as neutrals and their country no go dey medal table according to the International Paralympic Committee.
Story for 2 p.m.
Come join us online bbc.com/pidgin.
Money no they bring happiness, so now when I get money I realize, oh, but I no be hypocrite. I dey pray make you get.
Lagos will still there here for you, and of course I would wrap up for women's corner before we enter Palava time. And yes, I get more messages. Sacha, how far? What? How far what? I don't see this one. Okay, sorry, I go try read up most of these messages now because I need to enter Palava. The original boss lady, if first lady is ruling this country from Dubai, it means something. Ruling what? I don't understand what you they talk about. That's not your president. That's your president. She they married to the president. Cheche, good afternoon. In this country, men don't appreciate women. When I gave birth to 3 girls, they called me. Okay. Hi, my name is Florence. Godwin, on this issue, is it not possible that women get sensitized by women leader for all women to down tools all over, even in the homes, and wives, girlfriends, daughters, house helps, professionals, market women for 3 days? You no think say this action go shake everywhere, but we go get wetin we want. Just imagine the disorganization, hunger, and we still keep quiet. In some countries of the world, now wetin they happen on a steady. Now why I tell you, say maybe some of us never really did ready. As it don't they happen like this now, make we go back to drawing board. It gets why we be women. Make our what's come to play. Borrow leave from Cleopatra and Esther. You they read up, Jerry. Cheche, I love women's corner to my bone. I know. Hi, Cheche Smith. Thank you and God bless you. Oh, thank you too. The issue is totally unacceptable, Cheche. Totally selfishness by men in the house. Come to think of it, if these so-called men have been ruling us for 62 years, giving us what we don't know how to do, but their best is not good enough. This cannot be done in a developed country. Maybe it's because it be Nigeria yet to develop. I rest my case. Thank you. Thank you to Cheche. I'm a man, but I'm angry at what you just read out now. Why they not go allow make women get their own rights like this? It's totally not acceptable. I think because most of these women accept them, and most of these men, they get wives, so their wives are to be blamed, and their sisters and their aunties and even their mothers. Now the problem where we get be that, so they need to begin from home and start pushing. Cheche, well done to the good job you do. Please, just an observation. Honestly, I have a very big regard and respect for Wazobia FM. Okay, you go out from Wetin with the talk, but I go do you that honor. You mentioned Mommy Gozie, Mama Sass, GMG trial, but recently I noticed that is always high to making her. Please advise. Okay, summarize our talk in order to. Okay, Okay, humble, well, I don't hear you. Okay, depending on the topic, actually, no, most times they come with mood for people. All right, now how I see I'm humble, if you listen, they come with mood for people. It's not actually like that all the time, but if you say so, the matter be say we women don't stay under for so long. We be say we no sabi our right anymore. It starts from our home. The men shut us down. They can go away with everything where they do. You allow them as your husband, as your boyfriend to do nonsense, and then you don't caution them, and then how do you expect them to respect you? Okay. Good afternoon, Cheche. Darling, my dear, the matter with me. Cheche, in a situation where a man will cheat and his wife will forgive him, but the wife will cheat and the man will not forgive. See, I'm saying a madness, now it don't happen already. We need to start from there and start making amends. When you be a woman, your husband cheats on you, walk away. It's because most of you women don't believe in yourself. First of all, regard yourself first so that men will regard you. Hey, whoa. You're angry, oh. This one is angry, oh. Don't tell Una no problem, oh. This one is very angry. Cheche, can you imagine how much well is? Cheche, good afternoon, oh, my beautiful madam, your husband, Baba today. Take care. How is everything? Oh, I'm married to Baba today. Now I don't know. And they try to read all these messages. I want to enter Palava. I enter from Cheche. They don't take us serious because their wives take anything that they do without pushing for their own rights first. Okay. Cheche, I love you for what you do. I've missed you so much and I'm happy I'm back to the show. Blessing, where did you go before? Please let me welcome Blessing back on top of the show. Where am I? Where am I? Lagos, I still they find messages. Oh, hey, they plenty. Good afternoon. This Palawa don't reach. Cynthia will soon buzz me now. Good afternoon, Cheche. This woman discrimination is rampant in this country. Even in the military sector, they don't allow women to attend to certain position. Uche. Cheche, Wetin you they expect from administration where openly talk before international media that women belong to the kitchen. Now your own personal problem with that. It's not my business. If not so that they have for in village, that's his business. Who come they come bring and come where I did. It's his business. And I don't blame him. I blame the people where they are around them. Where being wife, in daughters, where being aunties. And them I blame. Abi? Yes. Why should more messages? Thank you so much, Sugar. I should lock up their body for just 2 days. They will sign it. They're humble, simple. These things are doable. Women of the old, they get as they take before they begin, allow them to vote. You get as they take do am. Now people walk am. People do am. Cynthia, that thing you're typing there. Me and you go quarrel now. And not only me and you. Now me plus you and Germany. Church, as a man, I'm feeling for them now. Women should wake up and work together. I won't be surprised to see a woman become president of Nigeria. Thanks, saying now you feel this thing. You feel how bad this situation dey. But it be time for us to dey sentimental. It be time for us to begin the look for pity party and all that. Now time for you to sit up. Now time for you to do the needful in your section. Even women where they're in position, try to encourage other women to stand up. Now why you go fit come on top of the show? They worst. When you get that mentality, very nonsensical mentality. And a man supposed to provide for me. I go just push you aside. I don't get time for all those kind of things. The time don't pass. We don't get time. Now women be CEOs, MDs in different things. Women they pioneer businesses. You check some of these men where they're successful. Now women, now you lead them, now you encourage them, now you push them. Then you go come here. Another thing we'll go discuss for women's corner. You go come here. I was encouraging. I get one story to give una for women's corner. I know leak now. Maybe next week we go treat that story. In a situation of I'm there, I'm fighting, pushing my husband forward. What happened to you? You don't push yourself, Uni. You cannot push yourself forward. Church, I think clarity begins at home. I get so many messages here. I know if we read all. You understand? That's the problem. Somebody complains, say, okay, see, Tina. Okay, I just see the reason why our Nigerian leaders no go give women chance now because religion believes it's not supposed to be everybody's business. So many people they worship different things. You understand? So go they play out for things where they do because the people where they do am with no they follow the same religion with you. I continue to tell at least if now anything where we say you don't learn on top of God, madam, suppose know that one. In a world of close to 8 billion people people they worship different things, or like 4,300 still counting religion in the world. So you no go use your own religion take the judge other people. At least I don't tell you that one on top of the show. Cheche, you did not read my message. I'm sorry. So many messages where I get, but I need to do palaver. Okay, if I read all the messages where I get here, I no go do palaver today. Okay, but thank you, say you, John. I go continue to follow this conversation to know where you go lead us to. But women said that they start stage up protest for National Assembly to ask them to do Wetin. They need to bring back that bill. They need to do them. They need to make sure say they accept them. And March, say na International Women's Day, they come on the March 8th, and I give so many things for us to do. And the theme for this year, na break the barriers. About that time, okay. And we there here to do the needful for you. Oh my goodness. I they come back. But send your palaver. 08095975808. Now where you go send your palaver, go. And I go also open the phone lines for us to fade it in chook mouth. And I try reach out to Gideon. Gideon will send me a message today. They tell me how tired in the fire affect and things for the Ladipo market where born, saying don't they tired of life, saying one taking life. Okay, I try to encourage him. I try to tell him, say make he they grateful for that he in their life and they're healthy. So make he find a way to be grateful to God. Okay, because people they go through so many things. Okay, and I tell him, say he get some people where one day alive but they don't die now. Okay, so make you use that one, encourage yourself. And Gideon, I try to call you on top of the phone line to follow you speak personally. Okay, but I still get your number. I'll go reach out to you, sending love and light to you, Gideon. Truly, we love you. We really, really, really love you, Gideon.
Use my radio, they play. My radio, they play.